Hey, Alan here. Well, welcome to another one of my quick edit videos. Today we're going to be looking at a picture we took on a recent beach shoot. If you want to edit along with me, press the pause button now and head over to my website www.alanlloyd.uk, where you can find out about supporting me and downloading the raw file for this exact picture. If you'd like to watch me edit more pictures in Adobe Lightroom Classic, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you get notified next time I upload a video. So come on, let's head over into Adobe Lightroom Classic and get started.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
This is the picture we're going to look at today. It was a picture from a beach shoot with Tallulah, taken a couple of years ago now. I didn't end up using this picture, but I thought we'd have a look at it, see whether we can improve it and see what we can do. So first thing we always do, we scroll down until we find the lens corrections tab and we remove chromatic aberration and enable profile correction. Okay, and then we'll add a bit of noise reduction. I'm going to add about 25 on this picture, I think. Looking at it, yeah, we didn't use it because I didn't notice in the background there on this shot that there was some rubbish, so we moved over a bit, took the shots again. So I thought we'd have a look at the picture anyway, see if we can do something with it. Right, what I do now on this picture is I bring the highlights down. It was a very hot day. This was play with the shadows a bit, see whether they need to be adjusted. I'm quite happy with the shadows, I think. We'll hold the shift key down and double click on the whites. And the same with the blacks, and Lightroom will automatically set those.
This is not a drill.
Okay, then what we do, add some texture to the image. Now you don't want to add too much texture or clarity. I'll show you what happens. The model's skin, it just turns horrible. It makes any humans look horrible. So we won't do that. We will add some texture. I might even brush the texture on using the adjustment brushes up here. We can select what we'd like to apply. So in this case, texture. And it automatically sets the texture to 100. You can set it wherever you want. I'm also going to add clarity to the image, and I'm going to add a little bit extra saturation to bring the color of the rocks and the seaweed out. And then we just brush it on where we want it, and you can see what it does there immediately. Go around the bottom of her feet. Make sure your brush size is appropriate to the area you're trying to do. You can spend more time on your edits than I do. I just do them quickly to show you the features and show you what you can accomplish. Obviously, if you were editing a real model shoot, you'd be taking the picture into Photoshop and doing skin softening, blemish removal, if needed, on the model herself. I like that. But we could even try to remove this rubbish down here by using, sorry, not that one. Let's come back out of that. By using the spot removal tool. Again, in Photoshop, you'd probably have a better chance of removing it. But we can try. We just paint over the area we want removed, like that. Hold the mouse off is better while it thinks about it. And hopefully, there we go. That's actually not too bad. Let's hold the spacebar down and click so we can come to see where we... That's actually not bad at all. I like that. We'll click the done button and we'll zoom back in again. There's a little bit of blurring there, but you would never notice that on the picture itself. We could try this one as well. When it gets a bit close to the model herself, then it's a bit more dodgy trying this, but sometimes Lightroom's really good at it, sometimes not so much. So we've got feather on around the edges, which is, I think, causing the problems. But again, you could literally go over again on the bits. There we go, and again on that part there. So in Photoshop you'd have a much better time removing things using content aware fill, but you wouldn't really notice that, I don't think. Whilst we're at the spot removal, we can remove the ships that are there because they're just blurs. There we go, there's that one. That's a bit of a yacht shape blur. We see if we can get rid of that one. Yeah, there we go. Done. There's one there, I'm not even going to attempt to remove that one. But yeah, that's the sort of thing you can do to tidy up a picture. I say it's not perfect. I would take that into Photoshop and use content aware fill on it if I was going to keep this picture. But for now, it's not bad. I'd increase the vibrancy. And I might even go for warming the picture up just slightly. Not too much. A little bit of contrast.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Vignette around the edge. And yeah. That shows that you could, in theory, save an image that you would normally have to throw away. So we didn't use this one in the end. We moved over, so we corrected the slight problems we had. Put a shade up over the model so that we didn't get so much glare. And yeah, we got some nice photos that day. But this one, I thought, let's play and let's see if we could recover it. And we've certainly made it a lot better than it was. So, if you liked the video or the picture, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing the video, and if you want to see my next new video, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.